Startup checking video of Abdullah dough kneader of 3.5 kg capacity for a Daraz order on 8th January 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade, a plastic blade, a measuring flask, and a warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. We'll show you. We'll show you from the bottom. There are no damages, and now we'll start the machine and show it's working. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We then further pack this machine in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, thermopore at the top for safe packaging. We then apply the fragile stickers on it and pack it in brown sheet and further finally in bubble wrap so that it's safely transported. The timer has come to the off position and the machine has stopped, so the machine is absolutely okay, and now we'll pack it for Daraz.